AMD's fresh high-end Threadripper CPUs have finally arrived, and we've already got a completed build. In a joint effort between PC Mag and sister site Computer Shopper, we assemble a desktop around the Threadripper 1950X on camera to show off the chip and installation process. Since it promises top-notch performance, we thought it best to surround the CPU with other premium components, making this a 4K gaming and media powerhouse. We begin with nothing but an empty case and work our way up, starting with the CPU itself. It's our first time seeing or trying to install the new housing used for this chip, but rest assured the speed bumps are relatively minor. From then on it is a pretty normal job, securing the motherboard in the case, snapping in the graphics card and memory, installing storage, and getting the power supply in place. Assembling and attaching the water cooler takes some time as well, but is not overly complicated. No matter how sure you did the job right, though, there's always the moment of doubt as you attempt to power on the system for the first time. Check out video below to see how we fare, along with the parts list with the best deals and where to find them if you'd like to recreate the build or something similar. Read the full Threadripper 1950X review at our sister site, Computer Shopper. Processor AMD Ryzen Threadripper 1950X Motherboard Asus X399 Zenith Extreme Case MeNet 5 PM Graphics NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1080 Founders Edition Memory G-Skill Trident RGB 216GB Kits Liquid Cooler Thermaltake Flowring 360 SSD Samsung SSD 960 Pro 512GB M.2 NVMe PCI Express HDD 2 Seagate 4TB Desktop HDD ST400ODM000 PSU Thermaltake Tough Power Grand 1200W